Okay, let's see if I have any sound. This is a salad that I've been eating for breakfast, well, yesterday and today. I don't really care for salad, and but I eat it, and it's one of those things you grow to enjoy, believe it or not. You know, people that can't do plant-based diets, I've got no sympathy for you. I'm sorry. I don't like the big stalks on the kale. This is the kale is one of the best things for you because it is a cruciferous. I guess because it has the curly leaves. Again, I don't really like the big stalks. So I'm going to take those out of there. Trying to decide if this is too much. I'm going to go to the store and buy some more kale, so I don't think this is too much. That's going to go in there. That's a big thing of kale. I went out to the garden and I finished washing these. This is chives, and this is lettuce, maybe romaine, I don't know. You see the piece has been eaten by the bugs. Apparently vegetables put out some chemicals whenever they get stressed, and guess what? It's healthy. It's healthy for you. So a lot of lettuce in here because I have a lot of lettuce. This is endive, a bunch of little new endive coming up. We have tons of endive that is massive out there, but I picked this out of a different bed that they're just really small. This is arugula, and it is very spicy. My wife talked me into eating a whole one of these the other day, and it is spicy. It's quite interesting. Now, you know what? I forgot. I want to put some tomato in it. I have quite a few tomatoes here. Hope the sound's coming out good. Oops, I squashed my tomato. Have a whole bunch of little tiny tomatoes here. That are probably very ripe. Got some big ones here too that are very ripe. Not quite ripe. Very ripe. I may put one, well, I don't know what I'm going to do. Oops. A little too ripe. Our tomatoes are just coming in. And, oops, too ripe. Just rinse them off a little bit there. And put the tomatoes back together. Just get them out of the way. Now, see, we bought this big bowl because I like the way they do it at the Subway restaurant. You see them, they chop your salad, and that just makes such a huge difference. You don't feel like a cow sitting there munching on things. You got this little curved blade here. You see them at the Subway. They chop into but they use a plastic bowl. And I probably tear up my blade every time I chop. say I avoid everything plastic, but these little containers here are just awesome for food storage. They seem to keep the vegetables really good. I'm squirting pieces of tomato. That's one of the hazards of doing it this way. See, you got the blade here, try to get it into the curve of the bowl along the edge. See, if you do it like this, and the curve is in with the bowl there. It's chopping down pretty good. Oops, get back in there. Tomatoes in there and squirt a lemon or a lime and a little salt and pepper. Ah. Thought it went on the floor. I don't see it. Gotta clean the floor later anyway. I tell you, this makes all the difference in the world in a salad. Chopping it up like this. It's a lot of work, but well worth it. As I said, my wife didn't like salads because she said it was like she felt like a cow chewing. Difference. I like them chopped up like this. Already half chewed, right? See, now that's manageable. Put the chives in there. I think I got everything in there. Now, like I said, usually I would just squirt a lemon in there and salt and pepper, but my wife made a special sauce for me. If I can find it, because I covered it up a few minutes ago. Yep, there it is. This is interesting stuff. So look for that recipe. Maybe I'll be able to put it in the video. I'm looking for something to try to explain. She put a little bit of this in there. This is nunseed oil. And it's in a lot of spicy food, especially Sichuan food. It's quite an interesting flavor. And God knows what else she put in there. Maybe some soy sauce and stuff. So I'm going to put that on there. Oh my gosh. I was trying to get it all in one go here, but you're supposed to eat something like a pound of vegetables a day. And when I think a pound of vegetables, I think of a pound of greens. I keep forgetting, you know, that cooked vegetables count towards that. And but I think starting out my day with a good salad is going to prove to be the best direction for me to go. Yesterday was good, but usually I have beans. I love beans, and the problem I found is that I eat like 4 or 5 or 6 cups of beans, whereas you're only supposed to eat 1 cup of beans a day. And I think I was kind of overzealous with the beans. Nothing to do with excessive gas, everything to do with no weight loss. So I cut down on the amount of beans. Just I'll eat 1 cup of beans. I'll eat this, and then in a few minutes for another snack, I guess, I will eat beans, and then I just wanted to show you what I got here. Again, I'll post the recipe for this later. Well, I have to say the numbseed oil is a little bit nummy, maybe a little too much on the salad, but raisins and walnuts and lemon and salt and pepper, I would have liked that better. But again, you can eat too much dried fruit and nuts. Both are very fattening, and I'm trying to lose a little more weight here. So it was still edible, and I feel pretty good. I need to make a run to the store, and I've got a plan for lunch. Those are lentils. But again, with the salad, the breakfast salad thing, I'm going to continue on that and stick with that. I don't know if I want to have beans now or wait a little bit, but I've got a tongue. I have a numb tongue. Ooh. Lordy mercy. More later.